Welcome back to my channel. Your girl JayJ here. I just wanted to come on here and create. I was gonna do a little chit chat, but I cannot talk while I'm doing my makeup because I can't concentrate, and then I would mess up, and then it's gonna look like a hot mess. But we just came on here, created something with the Jawbreaker Palette. What? Jawbreaker Palette. What? From Jeffree Star, and welcome back to my channel. Yes. Jeffree Star. But anyway, if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe. Just gonna hop right into it. I really don't know what I'm gonna do, but I know I want to use my Jawbreaker palette from a Jeffree store. I'm gravitating more towards these than that right here, like this whole row. Digging it. So what we gonna do? What we gonna do? First, we'll start off with our Louise base. Obviously. Obviously. We'll start off with Suck, which is this one. Let's do this one. Let's blend that out with fuck. That's peachy. Let's go in with licorice. See how dark that is. Let's see. I think raspberry, it might be darker than licorice because licorice is blended in with Suck, which is the orange one. So, but that's not what we want. So. Let's deepen it up a little. And now we're gonna take Suck, which is the orange color, and blend out that red raspberry. Let's try it and let's see what's wow. Let's see what wow looks like on the outside. And we're going to cut it with our Morphe M421. Let's take that color Suck on the edge. That's the orange color. Then I'm gonna take the 115 pigment from Inglot and just pack that on the center. Alright, now I'm going to do the other eye. Grab right back. Alright, so I decided to do 2 different looks. Why not? Who said it would be cute? Yeah, it's so peachy. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do my face off camera because you've seen it a million times. So I want to come back and we're going to finish the bottom lash. I think I want to do... I want to pigment everywhere. I think I might do this one. Or gumdrop. Oh, we might do all 3. Brain freeze, cute, and gumdrop. Why not? Why not? We got a ton of colors to play with. Why not? Let's experiment. So let me do this face, and then I'll be right back. Okay, we back. Caking and baking and shaking and staking. But anyway, now it's time to do the bottom line. Now we're gonna do blues because why not? This is JayJ Gawddess. We do colors. I don't care. Okay? We gonna try it and we gonna see what it look like. That's the only way you know if you like it is if you try it. So first we're gonna take our soft ochre paint pot by MAC. We're gonna take a pencil brush. We're gonna brush away that powder a little bit. Cute. Let's do that one first. Now let's take gumdrop, which is right here. Purple. The material. Now let's take brain freeze, which is this blue. Let's try that. Now we're gonna blend them together so we can be seamless and flawless. Because we seamless and flawless. Seamless and flawless. Seamless and flawless. Because I'm a rapper. What? Because I've been watching E. So we're gonna dust all the stuff off our face, fix up our hair, and I'll be right back. And then we can finish this look. We might do a peachy look. Alright, let's do a peachy look. I don't know. Let's see after I finish this face. Alright, now we done finished the face a little bit. Now we're gonna do blushers. I got this Morphe 9B palette. This is the broader blushes. And we're gonna use this peachy because we peach today. Now we're going to use Brain Freeze palette from Jeffree Star also. Let's try. Let's see what frozen fruit looks like. Let's see that. Let's see what cocky looks like. Frosted. Silicone. They're like silicone. Ooh, okay. Alright, let's take Cocoa Bean by Rimmel. And we're gonna overline a little bit. Now let's take Sushi Kisses by MAC, which is peachy. Okay guys, this is the final look. We're done. We just used the Jawbreaker palette. Jawbreaker palette. Say that 5 times fast. Anyway, look at all these colors. I just picked randomly. It just came in with this peachy look with a blue bottom, purple bottom. Girl, get it together. I just wanted to create today. As you can see, I got 2 different looks on the eyes. Basically the same colors, because you know once you get in there, you start creating, stuff happens. And we just do it. And we just go with the flow. And the glitter I use, well, it's not really glitter, it's a pigment. A glittery pigment. It's number 115 from Inglot. And y'all be sleeping on Inglot because Inglot is the bee's knees. And yes, I said bee's knees. But anywho, my top is from Fenty. Obviously, who else would make a top like that? You know, and they're cute. So yeah, I just got that on because why is hot as hell? It's 90 degrees outside. Anyway, let's do something different. Let's see what you guys like. Let's see what vibe you guys like for this channel. Because this is me. This is what I do. I do colorful looks. And if I was going somewhere, I'd be slayed. House down. Boots. Anyway. But anyway, I don't want to be a silly girl. This is the look. I hope you guys like it. If you want to see more looks like this, don't forget to comment below. Also, like and subscribe. Hit that subscribe for your girl. Because you know you want to. You know? Because you want to see what's coming up next. But anyway, that's enough of me talking. This is the look. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And next time, I promise, I'll be ready in 5.
Another day to live through.
And don't forget to look at these new videos over here. Because I know you watched them, but why not watch them again, right? And subscribe to your girl right here. Just go ahead and hit it. Because you know you want to. Hit the button. Or you can hit the